What's up? I'm Klaus from Crypto with Klaus, and today I've got a couple really neat crypto articles that I wanted to share with you. Boy, there's some hidden stats that people aren't covering out there, and I gotta share them with you because it's gonna open your eyes to some cool things out there. All right, let's go explore. And as always, any article you see in this video will be linked in the description below. Check out the other channel I got. It shows you what I do outside of YouTube. I'll have it linked in the description below. I'll also have it linked in the comments section, but it's Adventures with Klaus. Anyways, let's get to it. We want to talk about crypto exchange Coinbase. Ooh, their revenue drops 35% as retail interest slows down. Guys, there's some hidden stuff here that I want to talk to you about, all right? But think about this, all right? On a broad scale, they're sitting here, they're going, you know what? Revenue dropped, retail interest slows down. This is horrible, horrible stuff. But you know what they don't tell you? Check this out. The cryptocurrency exchange operators trading volumes fell to 309 billion for the quarter ending March 31st, compared to 335 billion a year ago. All right, so they dropped a little bit, right? Retail trading volumes fell 38% to 74 billion, while institutional grew 9% to 235 billion. Think about this, okay? They're so worried about the 38% that fell on retail. That's all anyone's ever talking about right now. But what no one is talking about, how this isn't even legal yet. It's not ready yet for 401ks. We're not ready yet for large institutional stuff on the US basis here. Institutional money grew 9% to 235 billion. So the FUD out there, right? The news that they want to scare you about with Coinbase is that revenues have dropped. Yeah, I get it. Revenues have dropped. But the biggest market you have, which is institutional money, almost what? 3 times bigger than retail right now. And it's not even legal yet. So when it is legal, right? And we're going to talk about that coming up here soon. But when it is legal, the institutional money will really flood in. And I want to get some cool stats, okay? And let's talk about that right now. Because what I want to talk about right now is the percentage of people that own stocks. Yes, share of adults investing money in the stock market in the United States from 1999 to 2021. So right now, 2021, we have 56% of adults in the United States are invested in stocks. And look at that. We've had some dips and we've had some high points here. All right, cool. But think about this, 56%. Now, what about crypto? Because crypto is newer, right? Crypto hasn't been around like the stock market. Stock market's been around for over 100 years, while crypto has not been around that long. So crypto in the United States, 8.31%. So again, hardly anything. One eighth of the people that are invested in stocks are invested in crypto. For every one person invested in crypto, there are 8 people invested in stocks. There's a stat for you, all right? So we know crypto is early. And when we go back to that story about saying how retail trading volumes fell, awesome, I understand that. We hardly have any of the retail population into it. And yet institutional, which isn't even legal yet, grew 9% to 235 billion. They want you to focus on the pennies while the dollars are growing in the background. And we always say that institutional money wins, right? Follow the money. Institutional money is up. The buying is up 9% in this bear market. So it is the retailers out there, the retail traders that are out there that are selling in the fear while what the big boys are gobbling it up. So now let's talk about some legalization stuff because some news broke today and I want to share that with you. U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen pushes for stablecoin regulation by the end of the year. She had to testify for something. Long story short, she says, you know what? By the end of the year, we want regulation for it. The U.S. Treasury plans to release a report on cryptocurrencies and stablecoins shortly. This is going to be interesting because I want to see what they say in that because their last one was kind of fluff, all right? The one from the Fed was actually kind of fluff. And plans to create a highly appropriate legislation for the pegged asset by the end of 2022, Yellen said. So we are going to have ISO 20,000. You know what, guys? Let's go big screen. So we know we got ISO rolling out. We also got Janet Yellen coming out yet again saying, hey, I want this done by the end of 2022. Legislation for stable coins. That is going to open the door for everything else out there, all right? We also have what? We have big money buying while you are selling in the panic and fear. Look at the stats. Those were the hidden numbers in Coinbase's earnings. But you know what? They never talk about that. Why? Because it's all about scaring you out there. The Passion Project, a second YouTube channel where I get to kind of explore my hobbies, my passions, share them with you. If you could, please check out a video right here from that channel and hit that subscribe button for that channel right here. If not, I've got you covered. Tasty stellar stuff and tasty crypto news right here. All right, everyone, take care.